Did you know that plants, animals, and people all help each other? We're like one big team, each doing something important so the others can live and grow. Let's start with plants. What do they give us? Plants give us oxygen, the air we need to breathe. When plants make their food, remember photosynthesis? They send oxygen into the air. We breathe it in every day, even when we sleep. Plants also give us food. We eat fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts that all come from plants. Animals eat plants too, like rabbits eating grass or deer eating leaves. Now, what do animals and people give back to plants? We all breathe out something called carbon dioxide. And guess what? Plants need that to make their food. So when we breathe out, it helps plants grow. Animals also help plants by spreading seeds. When animals eat fruits, they sometimes drop the seeds in new places. Yup, usually from their poop. That's how new plants grow. Bees, butterflies, and birds help too. When they fly from flower to flower, they carry pollen, a yellow powder that helps plants make new seeds. That's called pollination. And people help plants by planting trees, watering gardens, and protecting forests. When we take care of nature, we're helping everyone in the plant and animal team. Have you ever stopped to think about where your food comes from and where it goes after you eat it? It's called a food chain. A food chain is a model that shows how energy moves through a group of living things. It always starts with the sun. The sun gives energy to plants, and plants are called producers because they produce their own food using sunlight. Next come the animals that eat the plants. Those are the herbivores, or plant eaters. Then come the carnivores, the animals that eat other animals. Some animals, like raccoons or bears, are omnivores. They eat both plants and animals. Let's zoom in on an example. Imagine a grassy field. The sun gives energy to the grass. A grasshopper munches the grass. That makes it a consumer. A frog eats the grasshopper. Then a snake eats the frog. And maybe a hawk swoops down and eats the snake. Each one depends on the one before it. If there were no more frogs, the snakes might go hungry. If there were no more grass, the grasshoppers would starve. That's why food chains and food webs are important. Every species plays a role in keeping the system balanced. So remember, plants help animals and people by giving us air and food. And animals and people help plants by giving them carbon dioxide, spreading seeds, and keeping them safe. We all work together in this amazing circle of life.